Hello, this is the introduction video for the series about logical programming, or in specific Prolog. There are already a lot of videos and tutorials out there. Why do I make another series? The reason is I think all these tutorials missing one important part, and that is they only explain the language itself, and they explain how to use an if statement, how to make a loop maybe, but they don't explain the background of the language. What is really going on behind the scenes? How does Prolog work? Because Prolog it's rather an algorithm than a programming language, at least from my point of view. So it's more important to understand what is actually happening. The goal of this video series is that you understand how Prolog is working behind the scenes, and that you can actually do the same stuff as Prolog is doing. And you will also understand, hopefully, that Prolog is basically a brute force method of trying to solve equations, which might also be a reason why it's a little bit inefficient in some way. And just to say that in advance, if you studied about compilers and LR parsing in compilers, then you will find a lot of similarities because Prolog and LR parsing have a lot of stuff in common. And that being said, the introduction should be over now. Have fun with the series. I hope you learn a lot. Thanks for watching in advance.